If you dream of sandy beaches but live for delicious food, then buckle up for a mouth-watering journey through Caribbean cuisine. The Caribbean is a melting pot of flavors, blending African, Indian, European, and indigenous influences into one vibrant culinary tapestry. Imagine tasting jerk chicken, rich with spices, or ackee and saltfish, a breakfast staple that's simply unforgettable. And guess what? You don't have to break the bank to enjoy these delights. Local markets and street food stalls are your go-to for budget-friendly, authentic meals. Mangoes, soursops, plantain chips, and tamarind balls, the options are endless. Chat with vendors, learn their secrets, and fill your bags with fresh produce and spices. Dive into the street food scene where you can savor Jamaican patties, Trinidad doubles, Bajan fish cakes, and Guyanese folerie. Every bite is a taste of everyday Caribbean life and culture. Want a sit-down experience? Head to family-run restaurants for oxtail stew and callaloo soup, where warm island hospitality awaits. Or, take a cooking class to master the art of Caribbean cooking yourself. Picture this, you're by the ocean, enjoying grilled snapper or coconut shrimp, with the waves gently crashing in the background. Sounds like paradise, right? And don't miss the food festivals. They're packed with traditional and modern dishes, music, dance, and crafts, a true Caribbean experience. So, don't just visit the Caribbean, get to know the Caribbean. Head over to mycaribbeanmoments.com for more information and travel planning resources. Your taste buds will thank you.